Other names that I have seen is Attorney Ferdinand Topacio, who is going to take his oath as member of PDP. And then Attorney Jimmy Bondok's name is also there. Now, what I am saying now is that, sabi nga ni Mayor natin, si PRRD, there may be non-PDP laban members who may be running for the Senate, pero yung kanyang puso ay talagang gusto niyang ipagpatuloy yung programa ni PRRD. Kaya, yung submission po ng pangalan, as our good chairman and Mayor Rama mentioned a while ago, you can submit the names or letter of intent, your desire to run for the Senate so that mai-process ng committee. Kasi dito natin makikita talagang malakas